Hi, welcome to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem. Then we'll try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. We will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you the fastest and smartest way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So here's the problem. Find the highest common factor and least common multiple of 6a squared b cubed, 9a raised to 5b, and 12a squared bc squared. A. 3a squared b, 18a raised to 4 b raised to 5 c. B. 9a squared b squared, 36a raised to 5 b cubed c squared. C. 6ab squared, 18a raised to 4 b raised to 4 c. D. 3a squared b, 36a raised to 5b cubed c squared. E. None of these. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. To find the highest common factor, looking at the common terms among the expressions, we get 3a squared b as the highest common factor. To get the least common multiple, we multiply the highest common factor 3a squared b with all the remaining terms of the expression, and we will get least common multiple of 36a raised to 5 b cubed c squared. Therefore, the answer is letter D. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part. Let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option D. Let's see how ChatGPT solves this problem. It's now analyzing the problem. Let's see how fast it can calculate the HCF and LCM. Alright, it's now finding the HCF. And it's still analyzing. Alright, it got the correct highest common factor, and it's now finding the least common multiple. Okay, it's still analyzing. Alright, it gave us the answer and it is the correct answer, option D. It took us more than a minute to get the answer from ChatGPT. Now let's try this on Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer is option D. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem. It got the HCF as quickly as we pasted the question and the LCM and gave us the correct answer, letter D. That was fast, faster than ChatGPT. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Visually, you can find the HCF as 3a squared b as 3a squared and b, which are the only terms common in all the three expressions. This eliminates options B and C. Also note that the LCM must have c squared as it is the only term appearing in the third expression and not in the other two expressions. Hence, the answer is option D. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 5 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.